Adding a second WhatsApp account to the same phone used to require clunky workaround apps or dual SIM tricks, but you can now do it natively inside the official app. Before we touch anything inside WhatsApp, we need to make sure you are running the newest version of the software. Open up your App Store on your device. Tap your personal profile icon in the top right corner and pull down on the screen to refresh your pending updates list. Scroll down until you see WhatsApp and hit the update button right next to it. If it already says open, you are already on the latest build and ready to go. Now launch WhatsApp and look at the upper right corner of your main chat list. Tap on the three dots icon and then on the settings or your profile picture if you are on an updated layout. From this menu, tap on the section labeled Account. Near the bottom of this list, you will see an option that says Add Account. Go ahead and tap that option. A pop-up menu will slide up from the bottom showing your primary profile alongside an option with a plus sign that says Add Account. Select that plus sign to launch the fresh setup screen. Tap the green Agree and Continue button at the bottom. This brings you to the phone number entry screen. Enter the second phone number you want to link to this device. The trade-off here is that you cannot use the exact same phone number for both profiles. WhatsApp requires a unique phone number for every single profile you run, so this second profile must be tied to a secondary phone number, a secondary SIM, or an active virtual number capable of receiving SMS messages. Once you type in the second number, tap Next and wait for the 6-digit verification code to arrive via text message on that number. Enter the verification code, set your secondary display name, and upload a separate profile photo if you want one. To switch back and forth between your two profiles at any time, just tap your settings icon, hit the small arrow icon right next to your profile name at the top, and tap on the other profile to instantly swap to it.